Although smoking is banned in most public areas, people still smoke in malls, parking lots, and outside most facilities' entrances. Thus, non-smokers are still under the harmful influence of second-hand smoke. So an unconventional idea was needed, using an unconventional medium to demonstrate to smokers what second-hand smokers feel. We came up with the coughing poster, and this is how it works. We placed the poster on mall entrances and building parking lots where smokers gather. We've done this exercise in the 3 major cities of the kingdom: Riyadh, Jeddah and Dammam.
Now I've got the first report. This report is about something called NAQA. Now, when it comes, there's a charity here for anti-smoke in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and there's a company that came up with this amazing advanced, let's say, perspective of having actual boards that cough and then eventually the boards, yeah, they cough, and they show the negative of anti-smoke. Actually brilliant. I mean, it's amazing the initiatives that people have. I mean, young minds.
جمعية نقاء تطلق حملة إعلامية مبتكرة تساعد على الإقلاع عن التدخين.
إما المدخن لا يكمل السيجارة باستمتاع أو أن يخفف مرات النزول.
As a result, 15,000 smokers joined the therapy sessions. This also led to a 65% increase in visitors to the clinic compared to last year.